Hi everyone, I'm here with LEDs for Less, and we're here to cover the installation of the 7-inch round halo headlights for your Jeep Wrangler anywhere from an '07 to 2017. So the first step to the process is removing the grill to get access to the headlights. In order to do so, you need a flathead screwdriver, and you come to the top of the grill and there's 6 pins lined up along the top of the grill. Once you removed all 6 pins from the top of the grill, come down to your turn signal indicator and remove the plug so that you can freely move the grill from the body of the Jeep, or else you're going to rip this one out. At this point you should have the grill completely off the Jeep. You should be able to access the headlights completely. And you're going to want to find these screws, and there's 4 on each headlight, and they are holding down a bezel that holds down the headlights. And you're going to want to get one of these T-tools. I believe this is the T15, and they come in different styles. You can get them, I'll show you in a second what the other style looks like, but this one's the easiest one to use for when removing this bezel. So there's 4 in total that you're going to want to remove. Once you have the headlight completely out, you're going to see your H13 plug. This is the one that you have plugged into your headlight. And you're going to take the existing plug that's in there, and you're going to use the H4 to H13 cable that comes inside the box. Simply just plug this one in. You're going to take your anti-flicker cable, plug this one to the end of the H4 to H13, and then you're going to take the end of the anti-flicker cable and plug it into the back of the headlight. That will complete the connection for the high beam and low beam on your new halo headlights. Now comes the fun part, which is the turn signal indicator and the daytime running white halo. That is where everybody gets stuck, and I'm going to help you with that and make it a lot simpler. So I'm going to use another set so I can show you real quick. When you get these headlights, you're going to see 2 different wires on the back of the headlights. You're going to see a red wire and a green wire. Now the red wire is going to be your white daytime running light. The green wire is not a ground wire. The green wire is your turn signal indicator light, which is your amber turn signal. The way that these get grounded is through the main H4 plug right here. So you're going to take this wire and you're going to wire it to your turn signal indicator, which is down here on the plug we removed to have the grill come out. On this plug, you're going to see that there's 3 wires. I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see better. So this plug has 3 wires on it. It has black wire, which is your ground. You have 2 white wires on it. The middle white wire is your daytime running light. So this is the one that you're going to use for the red wire on these headlights. This red wire plugs into the middle white wire. You have to splice it in, and the far white wire controls your turn signal. So that's where this green one gets spliced into. So once you complete the connection on both headlights, then you can test them. They will not work unless both headlights are wired to these. For some reason, the turn signals don't activate until there's a complete circuit, so both headlights have to be plugged in. And make sure that this is plugged in as well, this H4 cable on the back, because that is your ground. I want to talk to you guys about one more thing, and that would be if you were somebody that purchased a set of headlights with red, green, blue, or purple function halos, you're going to be doing something a little bit different to wire these. You're going to be taking the green wire, which is actually the one that will control the colored function. So this will control a green halo, a red halo, a purple halo, or a blue halo. And you're going to be running it to a switch, so its own switch, like a light bar. The reason for that is because you don't want to wire this green one to your turn signal. You're going to make your turn signal flash one of those colors, and you don't want that. You're going to be taking the red one, you're going to be doing the exact same thing that I showed you here with the turn signal. Just splice it into the middle one, you're going to get a white daytime running halo, and then whenever you flip the switch in your cab, like if you're going to turn on the light bar, this one will activate, it'll take over, and your halo will be blue, green, purple, whatever color you ordered. So that's basically it. If you have any more questions or concerns, feel free to email us, and we'll get back to you guys right away. Other than that, thank you for watching, and thank you for being a customer.